Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to St. Michael's Academy, Betia's e-learning class of General Knowledge of Standard 1. Children, today we will start our new chapter which title is Sports World of Unit 8. So, let's begin. Cross the letters that are given 2 times to know the names of these popular sports. Write correctly again. One is done for you. Children, here some of the images are given. Like number 1, it's a picture of bat and ball. Number 2, it's badminton and cork. Number 3, it's basketball. Number 4, it's boxing. Likewise, all the pictures are given. According to the picture, we have to write the correct name in the given blank, and in the boxes, one letter is given 2 times. Okay, we have to cut the letter which has given 2 times. We have to do cross mark there, okay, to find the correct name of the given picture. So let's begin. Number 1, CRICAKEAT. Here 2 times the letter A has come. So we will do the cross mark there. We will cut the letter A. So it will become CRICKET. Cricket. We will get the word cricket. It's already done for you. Now number 2, it's a picture of badminton. Here spellings are given. The letter which are given 2 times, twice, it means we have to cut that letter. Put a cross mark on that letter. Okay. So let's say BADPMINTOPN. Here P, the letter P has come twice, so we will put a cross mark on it. Cut the letter P. What we will get the word? Badminton. 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 Number 3, BVASKEVTBALL. So here 2 times the alphabet given V. So we will put a cross mark there. As you can see in the picture, it's a picture of basketball. So we will write that word basketball. BASKET. Basket. BALL. Ball. Basketball. Number 4, it's an image of boxing. Okay. BOEXINEG. Here the alphabet E has come twice, so we will cross that word. Now what the word we will get? Boxing. 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 Number 5, as you can see in the picture, it's a hockey. It's a stick by which we play the game hockey. Okay. HMOCKMEY. Here the letter M has come twice, so we will cut the M and we will write there hockey. 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 Number 6, it's a picture of football. FOSOTSBALL. So here 2 times the letter S has come, so we will cut that. Put a cross mark there on the letter S, and what we will get the word? Football. FOOT. Foot. BALL. Ball. Football. Now number 7, it's a image of rugby. RUIGBIY. So here two of the extra letters are given, that's I. So we will put a cross mark there. We will get the word rugby, RUGBY, rugby. Now number 8, it's a picture of table tennis. The letter is given TFABLETEFNNIS. As we know, in the spelling of table tennis, the letter F does not come. So we will cross the letter F, which is given twice in the spelling of table tennis. Now we will get the word TABLE, table, TENNIS, tennis, table tennis. Now the last one, it's volleyball. You may see the image. The letters given in the box are VOLJLEY, BJALL. So here the extra letters are J, which is given twice. So we will put a cross mark there. We will put a cross mark on the letter J. Now what we will get the word volleyball, VOLLEY, volley, BALL, ball, volleyball. Children, now it's a homework time. Your homework is that you complete this in your general knowledge book, Unit 8, Sports World, page number 44. Please you complete this in a very good writing. Children, I hope you all have understood the chapter well. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.